Promise, here's a quick review. That wasn't really done much. What's this? Oh, what's this? We'll see now. Anyway, you remember there was a big step there. This step was got rid of. Remember the ramp? Made a ramp in here. Replaced that because they both open now. To get the trike in. Right. So that was there. Oh, there was trees down there, weren't there? This has been cleaned up. New fencing. Can you see the new fencing? New fencing. Yeah, all along here. This was, and you see the path. There's a path, look. That's going to be a patio. So it's not a full finished job. Remember, that was all dig up, levelled, and put proper grass in. Then turfs have gone, haven't they? That was the thing, them bleeding clods.
Did he say when you're allowed to cut
Nicer.
it yet?
Well, I think it's ready.
Yeah, it's almost. Yeah, it's almost. Look, brick edging, slate. One shed here, look. Oh, there's the barbecue patch. Here's where the shed was going to go, but then changed her mind. So the shed's going here, so that's been a nice sort of patio area. Nice corner there. Nice corner bricks there, look. Okay, that's a bit of a filthy corner yet to finish. Up here, there's going to be a circle here, level. The greenhouse and the shed. The shed and the Buddha. Yeah. Wow. What some change, and of course this was put in as well, and then bark. So a bit of nearly finished with all the tools. Nearly. So nearly the tools will come back, Steve, won't they? Yeah, it's nearly time to bring the tools back. Look at the film, what came. Maybe catch up on that fence. This fence is need doing. Just finish this fence off here. Just bits and pieces, but I'm going to, oh, the water butt is here, look. Yeah. What but's there? They'll be changing to IBCs, 2 IBCs up the side of there. Then that'll be water down here. Yeah. Slate is great. Look, Sean, I told you the slate was arriving. I don't know whether it's Northwell slate particularly, but it's slate, look. Yeah. Costs. Money. Oh, of course, this has got this terram underneath, isn't it? You know, the cloth underneath to stop the weeds coming through. And the greenhouse is here with a slab floor. Yeah. And this shed is here, look, which was going to go there, but a change of mind, put it there. Yeah, it's really, if you remember, this was a really look, bark. Here, look. Yeah, bark up the side, tidy that all up. It was falling away.
Anyway, come on, Rich.
Right. It's fantastic. Well, the house project has been going about 3 months. Here we are picking up that, what's it called? Something Crete sheets doing the shed, getting ready. There's, this is the, that's where the garden looked like when we first moved in. Remember, the house has been all stripped out and painted and repaired. That was job number 1, was to get the house straight. And basically hit everything with white paint. Yeah. And then the next priority was, oh, here we are, look, putting the carpet in. Who remembers we were putting the carpet in? It's got that step. Do you remember it's got the step in front of the house? Oh yeah, this is the moving, yeah. And then we flick along a little further. Oh, here we are, look, this is the making of the base for the shed. Yeah, the concrete. It's all been done in 3 months. Here we are, look, the shed's going up. Yeah. That took a bit of, we were lucky with that. We had a good spell of weather, didn't we? And here's Stephen making the panels for the shed going up. And Here we are, here's the shed up and running and done. 2 months later. Yeah, it's been a lot of hard work, wow. And then there was another one. Oh, there's another one somewhere along here. Here we are. Here is the shed doing, we might get an internal tour of it. Yeah, there's the ramp. There's the front ramp getting built so you can get the trike in. Yeah, and then we would have done one of the shed itself. Hold on. Where are we? Flick a lot. Here we are. There's another one. New shed build update. That would have been a tour inside. There's that front step being gone. Yeah. And then if you remember, we got the little digger. I had a lovely play around with the digger. Hold on. I think the digger film is along. Here we are. We had 2 digger films, didn't we? Taking down the front bushes, digging up the back. And that's about, oh yeah, making a fire. And that's about it. So it's steadily there. It's very, very close to being, and that's in 3 months it's taken, which included the house as well, the work on the house. But it's basically, once that slate that's there waiting now, once that slate's laid down, you're on the home stretch. Isn't it great? Isn't it great to look back, isn't it? And this is the good thing about YouTube, is you can go back and review, can't you? Although, in my case, there's way too many films to go through and to find. But it's there for posterity now. It's not on a VHS tape that will die. It's not on a disc that's going to get scratched and forgotten about. Hopefully, YouTube should, unless they bring out something new, find another new invention, it's here forevermore, isn't it? Unless they start charging us, or to keep the memory in our, whatever their plan is. You know what they're like. They'll get you to do a thing, then all of a sudden they'll start charging you for it. But anyway, it's one of the great things about YouTube, is you can keep all your memories on it, can't you? Right,